A little bit of stuff here. Hidden Woodsman pack here. 2 alcohol stoves. The stoves themselves are exactly the same. One has a little windshield built into it. A little pain in the neck to get hooked up there. I was hoping to build a fire in the middle of it, but you can't. It really needs something in here. You can modify that if you had to. And this one over here comes with, you know, the supports. They're both brand new. I'm going to try these out. Yeah, I got this. They're both on eBay. One's from China. The other one I got from Inwood, New York. This one here. An old U.S. bag. Got my U.S. coat. Cold weather coat. And a hood that goes with it. Government issue glasses. I took the fur off the hood, so when I'm hunting, someone doesn't mistake me for the arse of a deer. It's a possibility, but you never know. So I'll get back to you, man. I got to get set up here. Put some alcohol in there. I'm gonna try these stoves out. We'll have some tea. We'll have some noodles with a little spoon roast cut up. So, okay. This is Quinn the Eskimo, Feral Rod on Instagram. And this video is dedicated to Joe's dog, Scout. I'm not looking for anything. I'm not looking for recognition, but I've had a dog like that one time, Mowgli, and it's going to hurt him a long, long time. That dog was a great dog. So, yeah. But I heard that today, checked it out. So I figured, you know, and my dog will come by here. But, yeah. So that's the deal. It's for Scout. And little Canteen Cup Tuesday stuff. We're cooking. So I'll get back to you. It's Quinn the Eskimo here. Testing out our alcohol stoves. I gave you the intro before, but we'll see how this goes. Got my Denby cup, got my Cooksa, MSR small cup, got my dogs, US Canteen cup, US equipment. So, as you can see, the dogs are taking things over, man. Hey, it's Quinn the Eskimo here. Canteen Cup Tuesday. I know. Come on, me. Get away, get away, get away. You're not behaved, man. But, yeah. Explained some stuff earlier. We got 2 alcohol stoves going. We're going to test them out. Use it for the first time. Both the same, except for the holders. One has crisscross holders. The other is like a different configuration. You'll see it in a minute. Normally I would do my tea in here, but I'm doing my noodles in here because they're a little better capacity. I got the MSR pot, which is, I'll show you in a minute, which are a little smaller. So I'm going to put the tea in here, and that's what we'll do. I got the pooches here, Maeve and Maggie, and it's okay, it's cool. And we'll get these going in a minute. I'll show you a little close-up on it. Got the Hidden Woodsman bag with my stuff, but yeah. I have to adjust the camera. We'll get this going, so before the dogs take over everything. But that's okay, man. It's okay. Nice little spring snow here in March. It's okay. We'll get these lit up. Got a little heat. Keep it away from here. No, no, no. Get away, Maggie. Get away. Get away now. You pour enough in there. I think the little one costs under $10. The other one's more, but yeah, we'll be all right, man. So let's get this bad boy lit. This. There she goes. There she goes. They're both going good. They will bloom. Put the MSR on here, and I will put the top on. For the tea. Should let it go a while first, but this one has more of a shield. A little hard to put together, but tricky. Not hard, but good platform. Little herring top on here. I have a Pathfinder top, but I'm gonna do, oh, you bloody thing. Daggone thing, whatever. There we go. Good. So I'm gonna do that. And we'll heat it up. I'll start adding some stuff. So in here, we got the noodles, little spoon roast, 2 bouillon cubes, and I'm putting this in the canteen cup because that little bit it expands quite a bit. Now, in a little MSR 500 ml pot, the Thai noodles that I had in my challenge, that's perfect for here, but this will swell up quite a bit. Now I'm going to put these in ahead of time. Usually you let it boil. Just make sure the flame's going good. Yeah, it's going. Just double checking it. But yeah, I'm going to put the noodles in there, bouillon cubes, noodles, nice. Throw some spoon roast in there. I better put it in quick because the dogs will scoff it up. But not like Posa. Posa's dog, probably Scout, well behaved. My dogs are chow hounds. So yeah, we'll just put these Herbox bouillon cubes in there. Get them going. Now if you're cooking on a trail, whatever, sometimes you might want to, depending on what they say, you know, yeah, you can boil the water ahead of time, or you can just put things in right away. It'll start hydrating right away. But I didn't want to put too much water in here, but I think it might need some more. But I got that if I need it. But we'll start with that. So I'll get back to you. See how these are going and how they're burning. Yeah, it's cooking pretty good right now. I wouldn't say they go real fast, but they're cooking pretty good. We'll see how the tea is. Let's see here. Oh yeah. I don't know how much I need. I might have to have. That's pretty good there too, man. But it's one of the spoons I made. An empty cup. Might have my tea in there where it cooks. A little snow here. It's cool. Of course, I could throw some white pine in there too. But just a little hooch. But I'm probably ready. I'll give it a shot. It's hard for me to see the camera. The sun's in my eyes and everything, but gotta recharge this thing. But yeah, man. So it's cooking good. Cooking good. I don't know. I'll try it now, or I might put some more water in it. So I'll get back to you, man. Usually I have my tapeo or cayenne peppers or something, but yeah, man, we're gonna. That's they're still going there, but yeah, I gotta kick this sucker up. Yeah, we're gonna kick that up, man. There you go. Now it'll be good. But yeah, so I don't know, man. Sorry for the footage today. You know, did I want to do something here? Yeah, but I can't see. The sun's in my eyes all the time. It's a pain in the neck. But yeah, we're gonna cook this up. So looking good. Looking good. Tastes good. I already taste. This is still going. So it seems like it takes them a while to get going. He's slowing down a little bit. Still burning good. They seem not to go through all. Let's see. Still a lot of fuel left in there. So probably efficient, but they're not burning real fast. But it is windy, just above freezing, which is not bad. But yeah,